What's up, YouTube? It's the Rubberband, and I'm back again with another video. Okay, y'all, so I know it's been a while since I've made a video. It's because I have so much stuff going on, and I have so much stuff planned for my channel. But today, I want to try to do a tutorial with my natural hair. So, I'm going to attempt to do something to my hair. Y'all, I'm not an expert in natural styles. I'm not good with that type of stuff. But I'll be watching like YouTube videos and stuff of other people and their hair. And I saw a lot of people do some real cute stuff with their hair. So today is senior skip day. And I have a bathing suit, but I don't have a hairstyle. My parts may not be straight. I don't know how it's gonna look. But I just want to try something different on my own. Remember, before we get started, I am not good with hair. Like, I don't know how to like do perfect parts and stuff, but I'm just gonna try to do something cute so that my hair can look better for today. Cause I didn't just want to wear a regular puff. I'm gonna try to do a cute little style or something. And let's get right into this video.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go, go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa, you ain't gotta do.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking down my hair. So I always use a shoestring for my hair because it's easier. I'm gonna try to do like some top with rubber bands or something in the front. I have this little comb I got from the hair store. It was $3 for $1, so I got me one of these. This is not good to actually like comb your hair out with. It's just good for doing parts and stuff. So yeah. So when I do my part, I'm gonna try to like go from my nose up. Y'all, I'm not good. Like, I don't even know how this gonna look, but I got. Okay, so I got a little part going on there. Have a part here.
So it's like really hard. Okay, so here we go. I don't know if I should use gel. I'm gonna just use this.
I got me some rubber bands. 2 rubber bands. Then we put the rubber bands up. And I'll do this. That's one ponytail.
So then.
Get on.
Touches, but I'm gonna come back after I shower and get ready, and then I'll add the other accessories to my hair. But this is what we have so far, so I'll be back in a little bit once I finish getting ready. Okay, y'all, so I have my bathing suit on, and this is why I put on gold hair accessories. But I just did 2 more ponytails here, and I'm gonna add some more accessories because I feel like it was missing something. And then I think I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail. It would be cute to wear my hair down, but I'm not satisfied with the length of my hair yet. So I'm gonna add 2 more accessories here. Okay, so I like how that looks. So a lot of people ask me like, what do I use on my hair to slick it up? And I see that a lot of people on YouTube use like eco styling. They use like expensive gels. I use this black gel right here. It's $2.99 or $3 in a hair store. This is a gel I've been using since I was a little girl, and I feel like a lot of people are so big on using natural hair products and stuff, and I feel like they're expensive for no reason when you could just use black gel and it'll still get the job done. But I really like using black gel on my hair. Like, look how slick. And then I got this brush from the hair store too. I got this brush from the hair store. It was only $1. Well, I think it was 75 cents. I don't know. But I'm not big on using like expensive stuff in my hair because I feel like it's like all of that for what? It's not that serious. So don't try to get all these expensive products and stuff. Like, no. Get something that's effective and inexpensive. That's my advice to anyone that's natural. These 2 hairpins, but okay, yeah, so I'm gonna do that.
This one right here, and I have this hairpin that says poppin'. Wait, okay, so it's gonna have to be backwards, but yes. Oh. Okay, y'all. So do y'all see that?
This is really cute. This is a really cute, simple, type of thing. Necklace on to make it pop a little bit more. And look, like, it just looks perfect. Okay. So remember, I used this black gel to slick my hair up into the ponytail. I used Got To Be glue this was $6.99. I used this to sleek up the little ponytails with the rubber band. Black rubber bands from the hair store for like 50 cents. Gold accessories as well. It came in this little packing, but it came out, but the gold accessories were cheap. And then these hairpins are something I already had. So like it isn't really hard for you to do your own hair or like a little quick style, you know, when you have to go somewhere. And you can still look cute as well.
So I'm trying to let you know the glue dry. I use Barney glue. People be saying that's ghetto, but so I put them on, and then I squeeze them. Woo! Yes!
So I'm done with putting on both of my lashes, and as you can see, like it's a totally different look now. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. That's all I have for today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @TheRealBrat, and I'll be back again with another video. Bye y'all.